Hey there, mathematicians. Welcome back to another episode of Homework Helps. Today we are going to talk about rates and unit rates and hopefully help you some with your homework. Yesterday we talked about ratios, and we talked about how a ratio is any comparison of two numbers. A rate is a special type of ratio. It's a comparison of two, for all you English people out there, two quantities, but with a rate they have different units. For example, miles per hour or miles per gallon. Different units. Usually in 7th grade, the rate that we work with the most is a unit rate. And a unit rate is even a specific kind of rate. Specific kind of rate. A rate with a denominator of 1. That's what we talked about today. We are going to be practicing changing our rates into unit rates and then using that unit rate to find something. Hey, let's look at problem number 4 on our homework together. It's a unit rate problem. In this problem, we have a guy who's making $640 over a 40-hour work week. And the problem asks, what does he make per hour? That tells us it's a unit rate problem. Per hour means per 1 hour. So what we want to do then here is we want to change our 40 hours into 1 hour. To do that, we are going to divide by 40. We know that 40 divided by 40 is 1. Great, that's what we wanted. We must also divide the top by 40 if we divide the bottom by 40. 640 divided by 40 gets us $16. And our lucky guy makes $16 in 1 hour. Make sure you put your units on there at the end. Great, number 4 is done. Let's move on to our next one. So for problem number 2, I'm not going to do the whole problem, but I did want to help you get started with how to solve problem number 2. Problem number 2, we're going to the store, and we want to buy the best deal for this window cleaner. We've got 4 options. I've written down 2 of them here. What we're going to do is look for the best price per ounce. That means per 1 ounce. That is a unit rate. Unit rates have to have a denominator of 1. So for each one of these, I'm going to set them up as a ratio, the price to the ounces, and I'm going to make it into a unit rate by getting it over 1 ounce. So for the first option, the 12-ounce bottle, I want to get from 12 to 1. To do that, I'm going to divide by 12, and I must do the same thing to the numerator. $1.56 divided by 12 will get us 13 cents, 0.13. So 13 cents for 1 ounce. Down here on this one, the second, the 18-ounce bottle, we're going to want to do the same thing. We're going to want it to have a denominator of 1. To do that, we divide by, you're right, 18. So let's divide by 18 on top and on bottom. 216 divided by 18 this time is going to be 0.12. 0.12. So we can look at this and already see with just our 2 12-ounce and 18-ounce bottle, this is a better buy. This is only costing us 12 cents per ounce, where the 12-ounce bottle cost us 13 cents per ounce. So I'd rather buy this one. But I haven't finished the problem for you. You're going to need to check out those other bottles as well. So good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.